Oh my God, another egg yolk break video, really? This is like peak eating. This is the Beyonce, and the rest is Destiny's Child. You believe this spoon doesn't fit in the jar? Just a little. All right, breakfast. Let's make an avocado toast, a classic for a reason. I like to use baguette. I just cut some pieces of baguette from the top or the bottom. Get those ready in the toaster, you know what I'm saying? Until we feel more ready, then we toast, then we poach an egg, then we put it all together. The avocado, the most important part. I like an almost overly ripe avocado. This is like peak eating. I just cut around the middle, twist, take that pit out. Come on, take that pit out, and then we peel. I don't know why, but I like to take the pit off and then just gently peel that skin right off. Avocado is kind of like the perfect food already, but for my avocado toast, I really like to season the avocado. Treat it almost like this is the only thing that's really going on the plate and everything else is just along for the ride, okay? This is the Beyonce part of the avocado toast, and the rest is Destiny's Child. What do we want to put on here? First things first. She's so pretty. First things first, I put a little olive oil on there just to make everything else stick. I'm like ready to eat right now. I like flaky sea salt on this, not only for the taste of the salt, but also I like the texture of it crackling in my teeth when I eat the avocado. I like a touch of pepper, but I always go with a little bit of chili flake on there. Just a little, a dab. You can also use like a smoky pepper, like Aleppo. And if you don't like it spicy at all, don't put it. Tiny bit of vinegar. You don't have to, but I do. A little red wine. Chef's touch, right? Just finger over the bottle, tiny chef sprinkle. And then my friend Madden pointed out to me that a tiny bit of honey, just a little. So get a little on the end of your spoon and very thin stream. Look at that, done. Avocado, sea salt, touch of pepper, red pepper flakes, vinegar, honey. Or just put salt and olive oil and it'll be fine. Now, I like to cut it, obviously, and roll it around on the plate so it catches all those seasonings. And I do like to cut it. And just go down the middle. Press a little, so pretty, right? Can even go around the edges. Again, you want a really peak eating avocado for this. If I buy a couple avocados at the store, I buy one that's really ripe that I'm ready to eat and then one that's less ripe. So there's not like avocado pressure because it's expensive and I don't want to waste it, but I also don't want to eat 5 avocados in one day. I feel ready. Once my avocado feels ready and my eggs are poaching, I feel ready to toast the toast. At this point, if you're gonna put a poached egg on top of your avocado, season your avocado, have it completely ready, have your toast toasting, and then poach your eggs. Because once those eggs are hot and ready to come out of the water, you wanna just assemble and dig in. Just to recap, what do we have on this avocado? We've got olive oil, a dot of honey, coarse salt, red pepper flakes, a touch of pepper, and a touch of vinegar. And look at that, our toast is ready. All right, hot. Toasty toast. We just wanna, doesn't have to be super, super golden brown, but you know you got that crunch factor. And then we layer the avocado. Now you can get really fancy here. What I like is just to have it be really pretty. I like to see the avocado, you know what I mean? So you can do it that way, a little bit of both, or you can go more like the flat layered out style. Some people mash their avocados up. I don't like that. I like slices. I like the texture that avocado has. Most of the crunch obviously comes from the bread, so I don't worry so much about crunchy, but there's something so sleek about avocado. So you see avocado toast. An avocado is an art form. I really like that honey on there. Now, we could be done right here with the avocado toast and just eat it like this, or you could have your daughter give you an egg, Ava. Why, thank you. Perfectly poached, steaming hot egg. Towel dry of its excess moisture. Now, you think we just put this egg on top of here? No way. We gotta put a little flaky salt on there, a little smoky pepper, or red pepper flakes, and then we go right on top. Are you ready? Slide it right off there. Look at that. I like when the poached egg is still steaming hot. Should we break into the yolk? Let's do it, right? Oh my God, another egg yolk break video. Really? Yeah, right here, right now. That honey. Get in here. Do it now. Make it. This is a super simple, nutritious, quick breakfast, brunch, lunch. I've even had this for dinner. Get in here. Look at that. Take a nose bath. Avocado toast. A classic for a reason. Avocado, sea salt, touch of pepper, red pepper flakes, vinegar, honey.